Okay. Clean the house, Andre. Look, put Daddy's shoes away. Wow, my baby, he's so good. Okay, put it over there. Over there. Oh, it's dark, it's dark. Put Andre's shoes. Okay, what are you gonna say?
Please.
Say, thank you for helping us. Say it loudly, Andre. Okay, throw that away in the trash. Okay, what are you gonna say?
This one.
Mm-hmm. And that one? Are you gonna throw away monkey? No?
This other paper.
Thank you, Andre.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping us.
Thank you for helping us.
Did you learn that in school?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you sing Baba Black Sheep?
That's how I will. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Turn around.
One full master, one full day, and one full labor, named name. Baba Black Sheep, I will. Yes, sir, be breakfast.
What about Twinkle Twinkle? Twinkle. You don't want that one? Do you want no more monkeys jumping on the bed? Okay, just Baba Black Sheep. Okay, now bow and say thank you.
Thank you.
Bow. Thank you, thank you. Baby.